Welcome to the Caretaker Revolution, the all-new 6-port in-floor pool cleaning valve from Caretaker. Revolution passed the most vigorous test we could throw at it, making it the most durable valve we've ever made. This all-new valve features an ultra-durable valve plate design using industry-exclusive integrated ball bearings, 3/8-inch thick gears supported by dual reinforced shafts, and a unique hydraulic drive system built for strength and efficiency. Revolution is also the most efficient hydraulic valve we've ever designed. We call the all-new design shifting system Quick Flow, providing the fastest shifting times we've ever tested, working even with low pump speeds. And if the valve should have a problem, the valve remains open, eliminating deadhead and protecting your plumbing, pump, and filter. Unimpeded 2-inch diameter open ports supply full available pressure longer to each zone with little to no head loss. Revolution is the easiest Caretaker valve to service, featuring a single band clamp for quick access to valve internals, easily serviced by pulling out the entire gear cassette and inserting a new one. Welcome to Caretaker Revolution, the most durable, most efficient, and easiest to service in-floor cleaning valve ever from Caretaker. Join the revolution today at caretakersystem.com/revolution.